If you've ever wanted to play Android games on any PC, you've probably relied on emulators. They work, but what if you didn't need one at all? Google now offers an official way to play Android games on your computer through Google Play Games. And the stable version is finally out. In this video, I'm installing it from scratch and test it to see whether it's actually good enough to replace traditional emulators. First, let's talk about its requirements. It requires 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance, though it can also run well on 4 GB. You'll also need 10 GB of available storage, and for best performance, your PC should have at least 4 CPU cores. You can easily search for any game you want, and then install it just you do on a normal Android device. After installation, it will also add a shortcut on your desktop. You can easily play it from there. Now, let's see how to install it. First, open your browser and search for Google Play Games. Open this website that says Google Play Games. If you can't find the website link, just leave a comment. I will provide you official website link there. This is official website of Google Play Games. Here, click on the download button and its setup file will start downloading. Just wait and let the setup file to download completely. When the downloads completes, right-click and open it. The setup window will open. It will automatically select your C drive. Click on Install to start the installation. The installation will begin. Now wait until it finishes. When installation finishes, it will open automatically. Now click on Sign in with Google. It will generate a link. Copy that link and paste it in your browser. It will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Just complete the process. Now create a username and complete the setup. And there you go. We have successfully installed Google Play Games on our Windows PC. Now you can install and play your favorite games. If you run into any issue, just leave a comment. I am happy to help you. If you find this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in comments section.